So, ticker symbol at saka ticker tape. So, yung ticker symbol, yun daw yung symbol ng particular stock represented by digits and letters. Basta lahat ng stock information tungkol dun sa particular stock na yun, ang tawag dun is ticker symbol. Then, yung ticker tape naman o yung stock ticker is yun daw yung device para mag-transmit ng stock information in dati from 1870 to 1970. So 100 years ginamit itong ticker tape o stock ticker. So yan yung importanteng nalalaman natin, may mga devices pa lang ganyan, electrical device itong stock ticker or ticker tape. 100 years. So, ibig sabihin, 1970s lang medyo naging modern na yung stock market. 1970s onward sa ngayon. So, yun yung importanteng nalaman natin. So, yun lang po.